bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like that.
Free weights are big, bulky, and can even injure you. Introducing the OYO Personal Gym, the proven way to transform your body with Spiroflex technology.
The OYO Personal Gym. This one piece of equipment provides the same benefits as all these weights. Just add flex packs rated at 5 or 10 pounds by snapping them on like this. Spiroflex resistance isn't jarring like free weights, but I can really feel the resistance. Look at the muscles firing in my arms.
Used by NASA astronauts on the space station, Spiroflex creates resistance without weights. And the OYO Gym's double flex activation provides 2 exercises in each movement, building a balanced body in less time. With the OYO Personal Gym, you can now fit fitness into your lifestyle to achieve a lean, sculpted body in the convenience of your own home. Fitting in an exercise break at the office, while traveling, walking on a treadmill, or even outdoors.
I didn't expect maybe the resistance to be quite as tough as it was. So you're able to fire many muscle groups at once, and I can squat and do a chest fly, chest squeeze. You're just able to do endless amounts of exercises.
As we age, we lose bone and muscle. We start to stoop, and the aches and pains begin. That's why strength training is so important. It's the key to living a full life that allows you to keep pursuing your passions. Meet Andy. With the OYO Personal Gym, he's turned back the clock and can continue to compete in his favorite pastime. Full of energy, strong, limber, and free of pain.
With the OYO Personal Gym, I've not only increased my muscle, but I've increased my flexibility. So I lost 17 pounds and I gained muscle mass. I have it next to me at my desk at work. I have it in my golf bag. I use it at the driving range to warm up with, to stretch with. It comes everywhere. I use it all day long. It really helped me in my golf game. It's lowered my scores. I outdrive all my friends by 20, 30 yards.
The OYO Gym strengthens and shapes your chest, back, arms, core, and legs. And we know it works. A 16-week NASA study proved that Spiroflex resistance increased muscle strength and size as much as working out with free weights.
When I returned to Earth after using Spiroflex technology almost every day over 6 months, I was physically stronger in every test.
The OYO Personal Gym is different. First of all, because it's serious. It really works. It's so intuitive. You squeeze and you pull. And as long as you're paying attention to your body, you're going to see results.
Spiroflex builds lean muscle, and the more lean muscle you have, the faster you'll burn fat.
I lost 21 pounds in 10 weeks. I went from a size 36 to a size 34, which I haven't worn since college.
Are you sitting there watching me right now, and a voice inside your head is saying, I know I need to do something about my weight now? The OYO Personal Gym is the answer you've been waiting for to get in the best shape of your life.
If I'm on the go, at home, can't get to the gym, weather's bad, I need to get a workout going on inside my home, I mean, this is where I'm going to go to.
Mostly, it's challenged me in the aspect I don't have excuses not to work out.
The OYO Gym has been torture tested and built to last with commercial-grade high-strength polymer and nylon-coated stainless steel cables. You get a 3-year, no-questions-asked warranty. Experience the OYO Personal Gym for 30 days. If you don't love it, send it back for a full refund. There's no risk. Order the OYO Gym right now and achieve your health and fitness goals with the same proven fitness technology used by NASA astronauts on the space station.
Let's go, OYO!
People everywhere have been trying new ways to clean and whiten their teeth. They've tried everything, like those messy trays, the bleaches, the pastes, the strips, the professional lights, even the at-home remedies like charcoal and bananas. Seems like there's just not an easy way to get your teeth cleaner, healthier, or whiter. Until now. Introducing Blue by Go Smile, the coolest, hippest, next-gen device ever invented. Want up to 7 shades whiter? Go Blue. Want a deep sonic-powered cleaning? Go Blue. Want to whiten on the go? Go Blue. More confident? More beautiful? More youthful? Go Blue. Still want to use those bananas? Didn't think so. Everything you do deserves a brighter, cleaner, healthier smile. Go live. Go Blue. Go Smile.
Like a haunting melody. What do spirits say? What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say? Like a haunting melody. What do spirits say? What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say?
Falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, becomes a thing, maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over you. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so.
C1 Intelligent Optical HUD introduced a new concept. OBD plus GPS Duo system is adopted, perfect solution to model agreement restrictions. Compatible with all the models. There is no need to bow your head while driving. The display would project the important data directly in front of the driver. A good helper for safe driving. Optical color screen design, no double image. Automatic adjustment of light and shade, clear sight at day and night. The compact body is applicable to all models. Scanning of the whole vehicle data, in-depth detection and diagnosis, various display interfaces, easy to switch. Find car OBD2 interface plug and play. Simple installation, easy operation, refuse overspeed, and stay away from tickets. Keep you drive safe.